Sammor Duah Farouk ni ba say opeso de ne ho ka ho eno nso no ye ma omo order say nka by 27th no omo fale omo bibia eno omo ntimi ande so by judge no say judge award na asem no so amma directive so obia emfale the processes bia unsaka people bia so responding by within 7 days na nyame ya aduma omo ko break ba on the 13th of January no na yaba ema yatena asem no so say ni yeba ne say asem no akokodi judge foforo ho anyame ya aduma Yababa on the 13th of January.
Imagine she be na take that decision. Sampa appeal to the Chief Justice that he should resolve the matter by taking the matter to a different court. People have said, oh, we are corrupt, we have this. We are not corrupt. But they believe that the matter or the position that the Chief Justice have taken, we have no problem. We may have our own problem, but we are not care because the fact that we don't scare. We are not scared is the fact that we believe we are on the side of truth.
Santimansu TV. Yes, Sampa.
Oh, say.
I have said the Muamunimono, and they had probably through the Court of Appeal. Said the High Court, Betnayan and Samba Jafla. A mine in our Sampa Traditional Council. Say was here, then the Cofa, a original House of Chief, and the National House of Chief, and the Corniaco Gazette. No, Nayan and now we Nimran, no one from Ranch and Semania Basabasa said they are funny be and what they are some bed dying. A year court and that day, and Abu Mama.
And ye she say nka ye beba court but e bedru ye no na ye nya enkra from registrar say asem no ya move e de court foforo enti e ma ode ye call a different court appeal court judge all city as an additional for the case enti ya call ama watutu bibia e the case no akwakoshe on the 13th of January the 13th of January no na adi biara e so obia ye Sammor Duah Farouk ni ba say opeso de ne ho ka ho eno nso no ye ma omo order say nka by 27th no omo fale omo bibia eno omo ntimi ande so by judge no say judge award na asem no so amma directive so obia emfale the processes bia unsaka people bia so responding by within 7 days na nyame ya aduma omo ko break ba on the 13th of January no na yaba ema yatena asem no so say ni yeba ne say asem no akokodi judge foforo ho nyame ya aduma yababa on the 13th of January na yaba betwa so.
First, our High Court 5. Since you
say no, mentre High Court because my judge na ye dia command no or your appeal court judge. Any ye ne say on my medi into Babetna as an additional say High Court judge. Into no and a Babetna so. Until or no nebetre baby a yebeko akwakotna na yebetna mo on the 13th na yaba no and a register betre say be a dine we mu and yakwakosha na de yakotna wo appeal court for omo conference room e ho na tra ya ye ne ye bibia.
So the whole process was the first the matter was moved from the High Court to another court, and it's the same court. Okay, but however, this time round, an appeal court judge who has descended or from or be transferred as a High Court judge to hear the matter, and for that matter is granted in law. And of course, yeah, higher we are very much aware that we are on the side of truth. And they say, we believe no matter what. And no matter the position that will be taken, we believe that we are side of the truth. We don't care. So, however, we are grateful. We believe some people have triggered that process, that the matter should be moved from different court, and the Chief Justice within his own right and within his own constitutional mandate. What takes that decision? It is what takes that decision, and then the matter will be resolved by an appeal court judge who is sitting as an additional High Court judge. We are okay with it, and so we come back here on January 13th. To hear the matter.
In your own words, you said some people might have triggered what is happening.
Well, because the matter was before Obi. Obi na matter was before High Court. And the matter before the High Court, and no, court way, and they court way. So what I've triggered that process, I doing probably in a territory. Well, I believe I respect the sanctity of the judiciary, and I believe in the authority of the judiciary, and so I am not here to condemn. But Obi, imagine say be take that decision. Say Sampa, you appeal to the Chief Justice that he should resolve the matter by taking the matter to a different court. People have said, oh, we are corrupt, you are corrupt, you have this. We are not corrupt. But I believe that the matter or the position that the Chief Justice have taken, we have no problem. We may have our own problem, but we are not scared because the fact that we don't scare, we are not scared is the fact that we believe we are on the side of truth.
What is one opponent? And then more appreciate
and so yes, why will the matter be before a court, and then the matter will be taken from that court? Nipan why then? Has he taken a position that you think he's biased? Judiciary is he biased? Judiciary is biased, and so before you ask somebody to take a leave of a particular case, judiciary there must be biases, and I don't think he is biased. So probably it's important that the judiciary will tell us on what basis that probably the matter was taken from the court to the other court. But however, as I'm saying, we have no problem at all. But we believe the matter will be resolved, and the matter will be resolved in truth, because you are on the side of truth.
Okay. Meaning say that will chat to ya buy. They will say Abrantie ya on more personal. Abrantie Samudia and name for my Abrantie but have a new man. I said Etiamra and Sempata. And then Samudia. Well, Wadaroma, today I don't think they have been here. And of course, move follow media and move follow event in Sampa. I say Oyene Ekosu Sampa. And this Oyene Ekosu Sampa has been instigated by the Sammor group of people. You understand? Okay. Meaning, you are the media people. Are you aware that something is going on in Sampa? Some of you are aware. You are aware. So what is aware? The point is, this year we are okay. And give him dignity because he deserves to be buried. Okay. And I didn't call and to share so. To share so, boy and two. But what happened is they have gone to a public station to make an announcement, FM station, public local address system, to make an announcement, say, wow, this will be at 1 million. Emma Wine, that's the authority. So the person who made that statement, that is why time and again, we want to tell the IGP that he's been populist. Because he's been popular. Recently, I think I can read on the media that a journalist has been arrested here in Kumasi. Right? I think to me, that misinformation. Right, so clearly, we tell the IGP to arrest that boy. Because he has to arrest him. We are not begging because when this matter happened, look, we are giving a constructive notice what is happening in Sampa. We are not begging him. It's his legal duty, legal obligation, responsibility to ensure the safety and the commitment and the progress of the people of Sampa. What do I say? We have reported more than 45 cases to the District Police Command. District Police Commander was Sampa. The crime officer is a criminal officer. He's a criminal officer. Because at the end of the day, let me give you a scenario. My mother has been brutalized, assaulted. His hand has been broken. At a huge cost of operation, we operated it. Recently, he has been attacked again. Am I not a human being? And that is why I'm calling. Of course, I'm telling you all on that authority. And that's why I'm calling on the National Security Minister and National Security and the Inspector General of Police. That look, VA or Krumanu or Judicial, ne papa fee in media, he should be arrested. Or you for him, by authority, you show your henna. A money and a mamre chess or your henna. What I say, or your henna, he should be arrested. Obama should be arrested. Kwame Okra, who made that information on that public radio point, he should be arrested because it was a misinformation. Who hears that information? We want to the police people to tell you, look, boy man address issue now, it will lead to problem. We are on record. We are telling the Inspector General of Police that we are on record. They are causing the mayhem. 1 million. But who are you? That is the point that we are asking. We are nobody. For instance, we won't Spain, Barcelona, Madrid, Espanyol. They should ask themselves the state no motivational. Everything is grounded in law and everything by law. And at the end of the day, whatever position that you seek to take must be grounded in law. The decision that he took wasn't in law, wasn't in law. And that is why we went to the police to tell them, say, look, man prevent your brand here is going to cause chaos. And indeed, chaos I see. Said be a film. What are my I don't have the confident the confirmed figure to tell you, but what I know, say film.
But of course, near minimum say, Obi office ma, our by Duni Juma, or Sampa or Fimo. And that is why we are saying, Sebi, Senkophobia, a Juma Kobi, now Tau Mochi, now so Muswa, Oyeni Bisia. Sometimes it do happen to you.
Okay.
We are very sorry say happen here, but these are the perpetrators who did it. Some of you have on the because here this year, yeah, but my attack here. You travel all the way. Do you know why it's deliberate? They travel all the way. What try if you do manum? Adra Swanse. Say only me in Toka, Nanka Uludra. From there, they attack my mother's shop. And that is why I'm saying, say, no, ba, Oba Maule. And I need Nere, I know me. Our shop, Nibi. And I'm daring them. I'm a very humble person. I am very humble person, and all of us are very humble. We want to deal with the situation fairly and within the law. But however, if they provoke us, we can equally do so. No me or madam for. Me young no. Oba Maule or madam for. I am daring you. What you are doing at time. My mother has been attacked 1, 2, 3, 4. Mabuni Nasa, Yakoy operation. And we have reported this matter to the police. And, well, and that is why I'm saying the Inspector General of Police is being populist. If it's not being populist, that is why I'm saying, say, Obi can't misinformation. You arrested the person. It is already arrested that person in the same manner, in the same vein. Because yeah, we are not begging you that do us a favor. We are begging you that protect the people of Sampa. That's our interest, and that's your interest. Okay. Now, what are you trying to tell us?
Nana wa cast mo wie na ya je ohena to ni wo so a kire ni muga na ni radi kuya shane sana brand be sorry say me ntiase me nso me fa ko ndi abom.
And that is why I respect that is why respectfully nipa bia ni to me bia the coercive power of the state are power more than anybody. And then me no gian is here sa ban ka so chi enyina obe chi enyina aban ka so chi obe chi enyina enti obi ni to me. But however omo a ye di esika tue omo no and omo ye hwehan and ankrofobia influence omo they are misbehaving. Because I'm saying we have reported more than 45 cases to the district command of Sampa. Sorry, what have they done? Okay. They have not done anything. And so what do you expect us to do? And that is why we are saying from hence going, okay. We are daring the National Security Minister that enough is enough. Okay. We are men enough. And we can equally unleash our potential. Okay. But however, we believe in the rule of law. We believe that the right thing has to be done. People are even instigating us that we should fight back. But we believe in the interest of the Ghanaian people. Okay. And we believe in the development of people and our Santimai. Okay. And that is why we have restrained ourselves. Okay. Even the IGP, the Inspector General of Police, Dr. Dampare, you have access to Asantimai. You have access to Otumfo. You can place a call, respectfully. Respectfully. You bow down before him every day. You ask him, Nana, Wadaroma, Matisse and Semi Ukosu or Sampa. And then you take that decision. That's the interest of policing. And you sit down there, you have been attacked every day. Oh, me mama, when they do that to your mother, will you be happy? Will you be happy? I'm not saying that protect me specially. I'm a Ghanaian. And all of us are Ghanaian. Sebi me do na enya. And say me do. Sebi so did na enya and say did me. And that is why we are saying there should be fairness. We are not begging. We are in panel talk, and we are not going to beg anybody, whether a political party, MPP, or NDC, because at the end of the day, it's the taxpayers' money that they are using to run this country. And for that matter, we are not scared about anybody. We are saying they should do the right thing for the common good of the people and for the common good of the people. That is what we are saying.
Now, do not be almost say, some Koyani at Twasham to Sebi, Beba say, if you are to Odin, will be uncount, only will be actually no be to us also. In the money, as if no. That is what I'm saying. You could see this year, you could see no. You could see Nebano. They travel all the way from where they live. We know them. Yan can't be shame. Yan can't be beyond shame. What do I say? And they attack us and they shot us. And they have available evidence. What do I say? I give the narration. Uti Bantama, Missumiti Adum, Naya Bessia, this year or Hanum. Namoma Fianuma, cross of Quine, Abba Tutu on them, and any wapa.
Whatever, what's so much to 207 Mebemu. Now, I can't dear the Nimsenka, a binding, they see then a Sampa Ranti, of
course, they have, but it's important we put in this perspective. People are accusing us that we have guns. But the point that we have to ask ourselves in there, legalistic Ghanaian law, who to me, Sampa, Ganamra, Emma, and Quanso, to Anna. Then a member to say, oh, I'm not be armed robber, about fear, about robo. Now, self defense. And so, who are two are not called Lances. So we are daring them. We are daring them, all those people that who are accusing us that we have guns, that they should take us on. What I say? They have accused my mother, my mom is part of the whole problem. I expect the Inspector General, I expect the IGP to arrest my mother. Until or China, no cry a woman, no, the American say a 2 office will be Obiano. It has been lanced and it's granted in law, and let nobody deceive you. Don't sit on social media and then they lie to you that as if say will be a terrorist. Me powasem, me kuwa then. And I didn't know why, but me church me know any for me know any tracker. But they knew very well say the only way they could fight us was to bring that barrier fee. Sinebaya, we can fight. That is the essence.
Okay. Now, RegSec, that's a no regional.
And so that is why we are disappointed in the government. The government have to sit up. The government knows it's a flashpoint, and it's a flashpoint. What are they sitting there for? Okay. What they are saying? Okay. They should ensure that the right thing is done in there. And you are not saying Obi protect you. Yeah, say the chrono or minor neka. And so Sabi Obi or Bajimba Obi Sabi. Me to trust him and I can't say. Now, will I ask for the demand of the police or the national security? Of course. And I believe in the interest of the people. We are just Sampa from quantity on them. A man for a team for a friends and crime for a Santi for a 2 Aquacano. Oh, me, much more on them. Sinebe, what you have a no more DS in a Baya, Sabi. That Daniano or meet me across. That's our interest.
Okay, yeah, and then ask someone dealing a show. Hey, you're back court. If you said, no, can there was doing as a court ever cast and on that. I've done to your friends, Samudia, at the Badan court, so no so episode of the cast and let me be a costly sense. They will feel courts more be a bit Tiano, and I say, at the court at the amount. Bear and proud women, the court say.
Of course, that and I can't earlier on respectfully. Now, the matter was given to an appeal court judge. Was Sani Abase as a justice of the High Court. Okay. And Shebi Abekan Shemno, but he's new to the case. Okay. And she said Shebi Minumi no wo fa share no mana ya o mana ko na won tia Shemno she so nya butre say monko na bisem na afi obisem wi a na afi ye share enti he has given us a date. Okay. On the 13th of January we come back. Okay. Na yaba na ne wo mu no na Shebi o de atu anim. And so that is why
meaning say 27th ne de no so ebeba so ana.
I think it's defective. Yes. I think it's defective by the ruling of this. I think we'll come back on the 13th, so it's defective. Okay. So all right.
How did you feel now, judge and a joined and a lawyer and say, "On you serious?" Because I call shared the Museka, Waban and also called DBA, Abanaka case, the give it to me. How did you feel?
Well, equally one is important, and I'm going to say, what besides I mean, I'm because I say, many maybe I'm not saying you are not in the court. Now, to me, who say, Judge, and I can say, defend and lawyer need a serious one. It thinks that one hour can make. Of course, now council are not crying now. And a chap face they are not prepared to pursue the matter, but they are prepared to delay the matter. But however, we want to tell them say, and that's Sammor Jafla is overlord of Sampa, and nothing will change. And no matter what, the intimidation, I want to intimidate me, mammy. Look, and mammy come, me mammy, Chiriba, they have destroyed that evidence. Evidence are there. Omase Musto, Avufo Musika, destroy them. But we are saying, say, we will not be intimidated. We are on the side of truth and history. And we will defend our cause. But it doesn't mean you are coward. You are not coward. Okay. But we believe in the sanctity and the common good of the people. We can attack Naomi, Nino Bani, Nukun, and any sisters. We can attack their interests. We can attack their interests. But if I attack your interest, what do I have? I don't have anything. And that is why, out of that respect, and out of that common good, we believe that this is not the way to resolve the matter. So if we say, Untiasia, now the Mahin, Nasumahin, Omutamachi. They are instigating them. Oh, of course, Sebi, Wadaroma, I don't hate him. Okay. And I don't hate anybody. Okay. But I believe in the truth. They are instigating them. They are the very people who are instigating them. Of course, because if Unya instigating, National House of Chief, election also. Of course, election, of course, then of course. Probably, out of respect for the man for him, I don't want to comment on this matter. I think he made a fundamental and a profound resolution, and that led to the Babatone also. But meanwhile, you, Domahin, when you were standing at the National House of Chief, you were talking about legality. Do you believe in legal? Do you believe in legal issue? Okay. When Omokajo said, Tambo, right? Atoso. Yeah. What were you saying? You want to defend your way. So it shows how hypocrite you are. It shows how unserious you are. Of course, we say so with respect. You can't say when you demo, you can't say when boom, men can't say I didn't attempt. But men can't say look, of course, idea we are and some fatan and yet in here at time. Exactly, you don't have to do that to me, and I don't have to do that to you.
I want to mind, yeah, done in mind. Suma, I want to mind, done in mind. Sampa, see your mind, you're almost done in mind. Yeah, you got to go in and
and so clearly, I hope you are aware, sir, there have been 100-year celebration of the return of Nana Prempeh the first.
Sanity,
How many
sanity.
years?
100 years.
How many years?
100 years. Of course, Seychelles.
Until you see, when you battle with somebody who have history and who have documentation, you don't battle with that person. It amounts to hate.
Oh, okay.
What does it amount to hate? I feel 28 gold ornament. Only if you find a buy, I'm going to go South Africa. Oman farmer. Shabi, Nipano one anymore on him. And as I said, be o any passion will be. Banyamina Bonisa. Nyamia Bonisana, sending any Monyamno, Ucha Ukuta microphone, Yamedia, Memintimi Shumbi. I have to be proud of you. What I say? So why don't I be proud of you? The point is, Asantima is Asantima, and Asantima will continue to be great, and forever and ever will be great. And nobody can dare and challenge the authority of Asantima. Accept it. Okay. Accept it. You don't want to do politics. We don't want to do politics. Asantima can't time and again that we are not part of politics. What I say? Okay. But Asantima, yeah, two Asantima for, yeah, two Asantima, yeah, can't, they should understand the principle of Asantima. They should defend the cause of Asantima. Asantima be a defender Asantima cause. Maybe Asantima interest, or they should defend it. That's why the people want to listen. We are telling the people. I'm defend Asantima cause. Well, clearly, it's also a bear man now, which you to me and Kababa because I say, oh, in now. They are scared to come here, and they know probably Sebi Asantifo and Asantimai or Nyansa by any Muntimuku, but they are scared. No one is or Mechumana, BBC. That is why they didn't come. Of course, Minia may say, I've mentioned it. I say Obama should be arrested, VA should be arrested, VA, Nima, Papa Fee or the Chamswanum, Safi in Yamidia, and because in Yamidiano, as I say, 2 million in Yamidia. Nidia. But however, on the same ranting here, or we kutupa, or Franco for Kintampa Wenchi, and they are misbehaving. Every Sabi, you're respecting Yabuno. I Madu, I Madu Asana, RBA, I friend saying, Madu, Incorrelibay, I 8 he brought a echo, Masatale, I say, I teach you Masaka. There are principles, so hina, and so dim rabiso. What I say, and for that matter, Vino on your hin, but can't be. And to your count, and I'm for AS Animano, M1 on Chasso. And then that is why we are calling him that he's an interested party in the matter, he should be dealt with.
Nasa Washa, Nipa Bobo, the Mranti Omudis and Yamran Semico and free Sampa Chromo, Yakosa, or Mufri Abontin, baby, because I feel one. Sankorin and instigating. And that is why there is an undertone of political undertone. But of course, I don't care about the political undertone because I cannot be allowed, or you will not be allowed for any politician to intimidate us. Of course, because the interest is to pursue an agenda that will make the place ungovernable for an interested party. But we are not care. So that is the undertone that we are talking about. Okay. But how we believe, sir, the constitution is there. Okay. And no political party can overturn the decision of anti-mine. And it's all NDC, so MPP new, Janel, and sure, sir, so Bana Renia, Sinebe Abu Maina. But you don't divide and rule. If you divide and rule, what do I say? You how will it feel? Say, well, ABNDC needs to Yakobu, MPP needs to Yakobu. It's not going to serve anybody well. But near can say, officer, me no only a friend saying, me no any argument. You trigger the process, and then you take me on. That's what you are calling for.
Okay. Team General.
Well, yeah, we still believe that, yeah. Okay. And now to let Sammor fly and then Sampa back up, and nothing can change it. And this is anyone more. Yeah, can say we don't want to come after them. They have destroyed our properties. Anytime, any day, anytime. They keep on, and that is why we are calling the Inspector General of Police. That any Sampa phone Bibiaka. We want them to use the coercive power of the state, and the power of the state. We are not saying say they should be divisive. Why any ransom? Imagine you see this year, to share so. They should come down to the ground, investigate the matter. If we and of course we are, they should arrest us. And then of course we are in fraud and course we are, they should arrest them. And that's what I'm saying. The crime officer at the Sampa Judicial Police Command is complicit. He should be exposed. He's a disgrace to the police service, and for that matter, he should need to sit up and do what is right.
I have said a mass, a Sampa this year, or also a day at 2 Janono. I feel a pin my hand, Fimpino, a Dunuma Baby Simi, Yamea Domoa, a Fimpino, a Dunuma Ebesimi, Yanko Ponche Diampon, where you are Domoa, and a Sampa and some idea about a Temuafo and our court to know, or Mobesaya Atnas. When he said the woman in Amania, I'm a free Masu TV, audience of a subscriber channel, no, I say you made so a day, I'm out of your way to the Sampan to quest one of jebre ye ni nyina mu nsem e baba bebo wa Asantema So TV nti na nyina mekọ ba bia jebre na tena pa akonya bi tena asene fa twa Asantema So TV nti na sambo dua nti ama me piem wa ha wono no so wo interest wo case ni no wantumi ama na sebi mpre dia sa de wo gina mu so dia ama ye national wona sebi na wo asem ni mu se oba be ka bi oba be kire wona adwen nyina ne ye be tena asene wo nyina ntumi ama ye na sangwa jafla Sampa mahene oba be piem wa ha wona ntumi ama nyina nti ye maame ana wo temuafo be tena asem ni se asem no aya asem foforo e de ama no won hyeda enim asem no mu ye nti ne ye ma ne da na won fa hwehwe ensem no mu ye nti afimpino ne aduonu no 2025 13th January opepon bosome no sebi ne de toso eye edunsia no obesan so atena asem no so na sebi de ono so woka no waka nti Asantema So TV eguso aye Sammo Sampa sensem koso a na jebre
Asantema So TV, your Sammo Sampa.